Here we go. We are going to the graveyard to visit our grandmother and make dua for her. We are just now entering the cemetery.
Here we are. Huh? Oh, hey. Oh, hey, y'all. Well. I'm scoping out the scene. Oh, saw the way he looked up and down?
Yeah.
Look, his eyes are...
Exactly.
Oh.
Her behavior just changed. Now she's not... Now she ain't so funny anymore.
She's looking all around.
I'm getting creeped out right now.
Oh,
she's looking down.
It's weird.
Watch out for the grave.
Yeah. What happened? Tripping. She's not acting cool anymore.
Yeah, she was having fun earlier. Now she's uncomfortable. Does she have a tight grip?
Almost. Looking down.
Yeah, she is looking down.
Screams.
Oh, that's crazy.
She's looking down.
Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allah. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Allahu Akbar.
Is that what you're hearing?
Oh, she's getting scared.
Over here. She's tripping.
Alright, we're leaving and she is ready to leave. Go ahead. Look at her. She wants to go in the car, dude. She's gone, bro. She outie. She is outie. Take me home.
She's happy.
Take me home, she said.
Yeah, you want to leave.